All About Learning is a lot more expensive than apps like Reading Eggs or Hooked on Phonics, and it requires you to teach every single lesson. But is that heavy price tag and daily effort actually worth it in 2026? I tested the program to see if this hands-on method is the breakthrough your child needs, or if it's just overkill. So let me start with a quick overview. All About Learning Press offers two main programs, All About Reading, or AAR for short, and All About Spelling, or AAS. Both are multi-sensory, hands-on curricula designed specifically for homeschool parents who want structured phonics instruction. What's unique is that they're not tied to specific grade levels. Instead, they're competency-based, meaning kids progress when they're ready, not based on age. This makes them work for anyone from pre-readers as young as 4, all the way up to struggling teens who need reading support. I decided to test them myself by ordering the beginner level 1 kits for both AAR and AAS. As both a former classroom teacher and homeschool parent, I wanted to see if they live up to the hype. Both are primarily physical and hands-on. AAR focuses on phonics, fluency, and reading comprehension, while AAS teaches spelling rules and writing. The structure is similar for both. Parents talk their kids through new concepts before guiding them through games and practice exercises. AAR includes tons of reading practice with decodable readers, while AAS constantly prompts kids to write out spelling words through fun activities. AAR and AAS are effective for any child learning to read, and they have a unique origin story. They were originally designed by a mom whose severely dyslexic son was told he'd never learn to read. The programs are based on the Orton-Gillingham approach, which is the gold standard recommended by the International Dyslexia Association. This means they follow a structured, step-by-step progression with direct teaching of phonics and spelling rules. In terms of cost, for level 1, you're looking at about $200 for All About Reading and $110 for spelling. It is an investment, but a big chunk of that is for the core materials, like the letter tiles and review box, which you only buy once. That means when your child moves to level 2, the price drops significantly because you reuse those core items and just pay for the new lesson books. And for siblings, it's even cheaper since the main text is also reusable. You just grab a student workbook packet. So the startup cost is high, but it gets much more affordable as you progress. One more note about pricing, the return policy is unbeatable. You get a full refund within 12 months, no questions asked. Just FYI, we keep our page updated with any available promotions, so check the description below before purchasing. All right, so what works really well about their system is structured literacy. This approach ensures nothing gets skipped. As a teacher, I've seen too many reluctant readers hit walls because of missing foundations. But AAR and AAS prevent that through systematic progression. It's about competency, not age or grade level. A lesson might take 2 days or 2 weeks. There is no pressure to keep up with arbitrary deadlines. Your child moves forward only when they master the concept, which is powerful for challenged readers. Second, the program is highly effective for dyslexic and struggling readers because it is built on the research-backed Orton-Gillingham approach. Kids with dyslexia need way more practice than their peers, and AAR bakes that review right in while keeping things engaging. The materials work well for all ages too, which matters when you have an older reader who needs help but refuses anything that looks babyish. The next highlight I want to mention is that hands-on learning makes the concepts actually stick. Kids physically build words on a whiteboard or even on the fridge, and that tactile process really helps concepts stick. As a busy parent, I appreciated that most activities only require you to cut out a few quick cards. You're not assembling elaborate crafts or shopping for special materials. Fourth, the scripted lessons make teaching simple. Each one walks you through exactly what to say and do, with teaching tips right when you need them. The manual even tells you how to respond if your child gets stuck or makes a common mistake. You can confidently teach without worrying about whether you're doing it right. For new homeschool parents or those without teaching experience, this is a game changer. Finally, the decodable readers in AAR are genuinely engaging. These hardcover books feature quirky stories with funny illustrations that really made me smile. The stories only use phonics concepts kids have already mastered, which builds confidence. They're entertaining without being over the top, which is a tough balance to strike. Here's what could be better. First, the upfront cost of $200 is admittedly high, especially if you compare it to phonics apps that cost $10 a month. But remember, this is a physical, professionally developed curriculum, not tablet-based phonics support. You aren't just buying access, you're buying a library of non-consumable books and manipulatives. This means you own the programs for life, allowing you to reuse it with younger siblings at no extra cost. Next, the lessons require significant daily parental involvement. You can't hand your child a tablet and walk away. Estimate about 15 to 20 minutes of direct instruction where you're actively teaching. If you're looking for a self-directed tool with minimal parent involvement, AAR and AAS probably aren't a good fit. I've been a working parent, and I know that sometimes just getting dinner on the table is an accomplishment, so this level of commitment isn't realistic for everyone. Third, advanced readers might get frustrated with the slower pace. Kids who catch on to phonics quickly still have to complete every single activity, which can feel like busy work for naturally strong readers. Finally, the digital apps are very limited. There are companion apps, but these are light supplements rather than core learning tools. There's a pronunciation app that shows proper mouth positioning for tricky sounds, and a letter tiles app for on-the-go practice. But I found the physical tiles far more effective for actual learning. The apps work best as occasional reference tools, and they don't have learning paths or games like other educational apps. All right, time for the final verdict. Is All About Learning Press worth it? For homeschool families who want a deep, effective curriculum, absolutely. All About Reading and All About Spelling are exceptional for struggling readers and kids with dyslexia, though any child will benefit. The magic is in the hands-on approach, moving letter tiles, playing games, and building mastery step by step. However, there are trade-offs. The upfront cost is steep, the apps are limited, and it requires daily parent involvement. But here's the bottom line. The materials are reusable for siblings, there's a strong money-back guarantee, and most importantly, it delivers research-backed instruction that actually works. So who is this best for? It's the specific choice for reluctant readers who need the safety net of a systematic approach. It's also a lifesaver for new homeschool parents because the scripted lessons allow any parent to teach with confidence right out of the box. Finally, it's a smart investment for larger families who can spread that initial cost across multiple children. Anyways, I know that was a lot of info, so for a full comparison chart of every price and feature, Google Test Prep Insight All About Learning Review. And remember, we give away a free kids learning app subscription every month. To enter, just drop a comment below. Let me know which one you're leaning toward. If this helped, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.